The first step is to make the batter for the paneer. Here I have about 3 tablespoons of maida or plain flour, 5 tablespoons of cornstarch, a teaspoon of salt, and about 2 tablespoons of chili sauce. You can skip the chili sauce if you want to. Now using some water, I'm going to make a thick batter out of this. Now the batter looks good. We're going to add in the paneer cubes and mix them around with hands until they are well coated. Looks great, doesn't it? Now I'm going to add the paneer cubes one by one into the hot oil and deep fry the paneer cubes in medium flame until golden and crispy. Because of the batter, these have a tendency to stick to each other, so just use a spoon and break them apart and detangle them. They look done to me. I'm going to take these paneer cubes out to a kitchen towel and let them cool down. Now for the chili element, I'll begin by making the cornstarch slurry. Here I have about a tablespoon of cornstarch, to which I'm going to add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and mix it well. We will use this cornstarch slurry later on in the recipe. Here I have about 2 tablespoons of oil in a very hot wok. This needs to be really smoking hot, to which I am going to add in chopped garlic, sliced green chilies and juliennes of ginger and stir it around for a good few seconds. Next ingredient is onion shells from 1 onion, and then we are going to add in some whites of green onion and a little bit of salt. I add in salt in stages in this recipe, just little bit for each ingredient. Now we are going to stir this and cook this for a good minute or so. Add in the diced capsicum and then some green onions as well, a little bit of salt and pepper again, and then we are going to add in some soy sauce. Here I am using light soy sauce, 2 to 3 tablespoons of chili sauce, and mix it around for a good minute or so, because we do not want anything to stick to the pan, so just give it a mix. And then we're going to add in a tablespoon of ketchup and give this a mix again, and we're going to pour in a little bit of water to this. About 2 to 3 tablespoons should be fine to adjust the consistency. This needs to be a little thin in consistency right now. We'll later thicken this with the cornstarch slurry. I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of that cornstarch slurry and cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. This thing looks good and saucy. As you can see, we are going to next add in 1 DCJ tomato, which is totally optional, and give this a final mix before adding in the deep fried paneer cubes. Doesn't this look mouth-watering? A good sprinkle of green onions before serving it out. All ready to serve now. Homemade paneer chili was never so good. The paneer chili is